In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Facebook ads more effective in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just dipping your toes into social media advertising, this guide will provide you with some actionable steps to enhance the performance of your Facebook ads. Let's dive right into it by first heading over to Facebook Business Manager. For newcomers, this platform is where the magic happens, acting as your mission control for managing ads. So, pop into your browser and type in the Business Manager's URL, or simply search for it on Google. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to log in with Facebook. Go ahead and click that. This will integrate your personal Facebook profile with the Business Manager, which is quite handy for easily switching between your personal and business activities on Facebook. After you've logged in, you're expected to choose your account and proceed. This step may seem elementary, but it's crucial to ensure you're working under the right account, especially if you're managing multiple business pages or ad accounts. Next, direct your attention to the lower left panel of your dashboard, where you'll spot the Ads option. A simple click here will guide you deeper into the advertising side of things. Following that, you'll want to click on Ads Manager. This is essentially your home base for everything ad related. It's where you create, manage, and review the performance of all your advertising endeavors. Now, let's get a bit more specific. You'll need to navigate to your campaigns, a section accessible via a direct link or by toggling through Ads Manager's interface. Campaigns are critical since they house your ad sets and ads, allowing for organized management and optimization. Within campaigns, locate the Ad Sets option. Think of ad sets as your strategy hub. This is where you set your budget, schedule, targeting, and placement, essentially defining how, when, and to whom your ads are served. Once you've found an ad set you want to tweak, click on Edit. This will open up a plethora of options for you to modify, ensuring your ad set is tailored to meet your campaign's objectives. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Head over to the Audience Controls within your ad set's edit options. Audience controls are vital for defining who sees your ads. It's about reaching the right people with your message. Then click on Show More Options. This expands your toolbox, allowing for even more refined adjustments to your audience settings. It's all about pinpointing your ideal demographic with precision. An integral part of defining your audience is setting a minimum age. This ensures your ads are seen by an age group appropriate and most likely to engage with your ad. Remember, relevance is key in advertising. Another crucial component is adding locations. By specifying where your ads are shown, you can target geographic areas where your audience is more likely to be found. Whether it's a single city or multiple countries, location targeting helps improve your outreach effectiveness. Incorporating these adjustments is not just about narrowing down your target audience, it's about optimizing your ad spend and boosting your return on investment. It's a strategic move to ensure your advertising efforts are concentrated where they're most likely to generate results. And there you have it, folks, a concise guide to enhancing the effectiveness of your Facebook ads. Remember, the world of digital advertising is always evolving, and staying on top of these changes is crucial for your success. Experiment with different strategies, iterate based on performance, and continuously refine your approach. By following these steps, you're setting the stage for a more impactful, efficient, and rewarding advertising experience on Facebook. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips and guides. Until next time, happy advertising.